going to show you some devices which was developed by Oxsight. Oxsight stands for spin out from Oxford University, UK, and they have developed many electronic glasses as an innovation. And this is the picture of it. And in fact, this is the old picture. They have revised the version of it to a further one, which I don't have access to that device. So as part of the trials when we were doing, so this was the prototype here. And I was part of those team where we did some trials on these augmented realities and virtual reality glasses. And we did it. I want to show you certain video about the next one. That was for peripheral field loss patients. And this is for central field loss, which we have launched this year in UK. And the results are amazing. And I would like to talk to you about some more things. So video, because it simulates how a central field loss patient can look at.
I look at my wife's face, I can see her jumper, but I can't see her face.
I couldn't tell you it is, though.
It's in the normal position, he can't see anything. You can see some lines. That's about it.
Well, I can see you okay, yeah.
I see much closer to him, I must admit. I can see his teeth, his tongue, his nose, his eyes, his eyebrows, his ears.
能看到他的鼻子、眼睛、嘴巴啊？
能看见。
哦 he can see the eyes, the nose, the mouth.
但是也能看见表情。
Oh, he can know the expressions now.
Oh, that's better. I think he might be crying.
He is upset, yeah.
They are much clearer. Their eyes are still obviously squinty and closed, lots of lines on the face and on the neck.
Yeah.
Mouth open. I can see sort of facial hair now as well, and definitely a blue t-shirt. I can see teeth showing.
Mind you, the last time I saw her, she was only a baby.
You know why I showed you this before I move on to another expression video, which was on the prototype when we were doing. I didn't know it myself. We've always been tuned with our brains to understand visual acuity. For us, ma'am, it is improving from 1 visual acuity, not much, only 660. Doesn't improve much, only 624. And we ourselves lose heart on giving the devices. But why I picked up this particular video to show you is, you know, even seeing the face, the features, the hair on the face, the color of the t-shirt makes difference to the visually impaired. We never understood those needs. For a patient, it means a lot. You know, one of the patient when we were doing trials and we were standing in the balcony and it's like, what a poor vision. He took me out to the balcony and I said, you like the device? What do you like? Your vision's hardly improving. He says, can you stand in this balcony? He took me out. He says, Monica, do you see that tree there in that? He's almost, I said, yes, there is a tree in front of it. You see the green color? I said, yes, I see the green color. He put on the device and he says, for me, that green color itself has a meaning. I do not see the finer part of the tree, but he cried to say, I can see the green color of that leaves. So this is my message which I wanted to convey today, that seeing small things make a big difference to patients' life, which we as normal individuals have not understood. I would like to continue some part of the video before I switch on. This is for a peripheral field loss patient, and you'll see some simulation which they have because they had a connection with this camera so that they can also, a person, while we did trials, we could see what the patient is seeing through. So these are all tubular field, 5-degree retinitis.
What I could see 20, 30 years ago, well, I never imagined that I'd be able to see that again.
What this black and
How much can you see of me now?
I can see the beginnings of your shoulders, but I can't see the rest of your body. But I can see the camera guys over there.
modes what they can change to see. Not aware of it according. It also helps in reading text.
Is it?
Yeah,
Got it. So that's quite nice.
Wow.
Yeah, that's wow.
Wow, that is really impressive. It is actually quite amazing to get so much more detail on their face. Without my glasses, I'm looking at kind of pink blobs, really.
I've just zoomed backwards. Now that's much, much better.
I'm wondering whether it's the sort of thing I could wear walking into the cinema. It sounds silly to think that, you know, a registered blind person would even attempt going to a cinema.
Can you see more now in this colour mode than you can normally?
Oh, definitely.
I just love it. It's amazing. To be here today and see what I saw years ago is just life-changing.